In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make people in your Roblox group admin. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you own a Roblox group, you will be able to change the role for specific people and you can assign them admin privileges. So to do this, visit the official Roblox website. In this page, you will go to Communities at the left side of the screen, and in here find the Roblox group that you are the owner or admin of. Now, once you choose a specific group, click on these three dots at the right side of the group. You will only be able to change people's roles if you can go into this page, Configure Group. If you don't see this option, it means that you don't have the necessary privileges and you won't be able to alter everyone's roles. But if you see it, then choose it from the list here after clicking on the three dots. Now, under the configuration page, go to members. So there are going to be a bunch of categories at the left. Choose members, and you will find yourself. You should be labeled as the owner if you created this group. What you have to do now is find the specific member that you would like to change the roles for, so their name is going to appear here at the top alongside their avatar. All that you have to do is choose the role from this drop-down menu. So by default, they should be assigned member when they join initially, and you can change it by choosing this field, and then from the list of options, just pick the new role. So for example, admin, and they will change it to whatever you select. If you have multiple roles, custom roles, and so on that you can manage on the option right besides members, then you might see them here as well. But by default, you should have member and admin, and you can freely switch between them as needed. You will remain the owner of the group, so you have the most amount of privileges and options, but you can still make other members admins as well. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, because as you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.